Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we're diving deep into the heart of Zimbabwean politics. I'm sure you've heard the news. Emmerson Mnangagwa, Zimbabwe's president, has been sworn in for a second term. But behind the pomp and circumstance, there's a gripping subplot involving his chief rival, Nelson Chamisa. So let's unpack this, shall we? Mnangagwa's victory speech was all about promises and prosperity. He talked about lifting millions out of poverty and harnessing internal resources to grow Zimbabwe's economy. Sounds great, right? But here's the twist. Despite his confident front, whispers around political circles suggest that Mnangagwa might actually be wary about Chamisa'S plans. And why is that? Nelson Chamisa is not just any political opponent. He's a symbol of change for many Zimbabweans, especially the youth, who are desperate for a new direction. Chamisa'S dynamic approach and calls for reform pose a significant challenge to Mnangagwa's leadership style, which some critics label as traditional and slow-moving. So when Mnangagwa talks about unity and prosperity, I can't help but wonder, is this a leader fortifying his legacy or a strategist playing defense against a rising political star? Let's talk economics. Mnangagwa emphasizes the importance of a national currency and self-sustenance. This is crucial, isn't it? An economy rebounding on its own terms. But can this vision hold up against Chamisa'S progressive and potentially disruptive economic policies? That remains to be seen. As we look forward to Mnangagwa's term and his upcoming chairmanship at SADC, the stakes are incredibly high. Will his policies bring the economic revival he promises, or will Chamisa'S shadow loom large, challenging each move? What do you think? Is Mnangagwa's approach the safe bet Zimbabwe needs, or is it time for a more radical change with Chamisa? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's keep this discussion going. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Zimbabwe's political drama, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more insightful content just like this. See you in the next video.